Hey guys, welcome back to Tyree's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making a carrot cake. For this recipe you will need some light brown sugar, all-purpose flour, bicarbonate of soda. You need some mixed spice, you need cinnamon powder and liquid, you need icing sugar, vegetable oil, and about 300 grams carrots and eggs. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put 2 cups of flour in the bowl. You can sift it if you want, but it's not essential. You're going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soda, and you're gonna put 1 teaspoon actually of the cinnamon powder, and then you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of the culinary essence cinnamon liquid. Okay, this is really good, it's especially for baking. Make sure you're leveling all these measurements, and you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. If you have any ground ginger, you can add some ground ginger. You're gonna put a half teaspoon of salt, and in a separate bowl you're gonna put 4 eggs in there. And after you've done that, you're gonna put the 2 cups of light brown sugar. I used 2 different brands because I ran out, but I had another different brand, and I didn't put like the cup, like I didn't fill up the cup, so that will be fine. It's just to avoid like too much sugar. And I put like 3/4 of cooking oil, but instead the recipe says 1. You're gonna put 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Again, I wasn't filling up the cups because I didn't want too much sweetness in the cake. You're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then after you've done that, you're gonna whisk the wet mixture, and don't over mix it. After you've done that, you're gonna add your carrots, grated carrots. If grating is too hard for you, you can buy the carrots grated already, or you can just put them in the blender and it will do the job for you. Okay, so after you've mixed that, you're gonna put all your dry ingredients into the wet mixture and mix it up. Do not overmix because the soda will start bubbling up and it will destroy the texture of your cake. Okay, this is the mixture put in 2 separate tins, and I've put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And this is the after effect. Also, those lines are from me putting the cake on the cooling rack upside down, but it's no bother, it can be covered with icing. I did not show you guys how to do the buttercream icing. If you want to see how I do it, you can go on my previous videos and you can check how I do it. This is cream cheese frosting, by the way, I mean not buttercream. And after you've done that, you just decorate. I'm just putting some mixed spice on top of the cake, and I'm gonna put a few grated carrots there and some orange sprinkles, and this is the final effect. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.